Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the inbox in Canvas to send emails to your professors. The first step is to go over to the inbox tab on the left hand side and select it. At this point you'll be brought to the inbox window. From here you can select where you would like to receive your emails from by going up to the left hand side and select if you'd want to see from all your courses, any courses you favorited, as seen here, or any groups you're a part of. Moving over to the right of that box, you can select whether you want to see your whole inbox, just your unread email, your start email, sent, and etc. Aside from that, inbox operates the same way that any other email does. To send an email, click this button here, select which course you'd like to send it to, send the subject, or an individual message, and then simply write out your message, and when you're done, hit send. To view a message, simply click on the panel on the left hand side, and you'll be able to view the message. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.